Welcome in, all my friends and family. I know you're sitting on the edge of your seat to see what I purchased at the dollar store. Well, I wasn't too successful at the dollar store, but I did pick up a couple things. I went to two different dollar stores. The first one, I don't think I'll be going back to. They didn't have nothing. The second one, which is the one here in West Salem, I did pick up a couple things. And then, since I was right there, I thought, you know what? I'm just going to run into the Goodwill. And yep, I have an unboxing from the Goodwill for you. So, first up, I picked up these ultra fine point dry erase markers, and these are going to be for my brand new calendar that I got at Hobby Lobby. Yep. So these are dry erase and $1.25. Okay, and then I had to pick up some more of these sheet protectors. Not what I wanted, but you know, they're okay. I put my key of the diamond painting in there from the big canvases. You've seen this before. But anyway, yeah, I put it in here. This is what I was looking for, but they didn't have any. So, and that's okay. I can just use these. All right. Then I went over to the crafting section, didn't find any diamond paintings that Tita showed on her channel this morning. And then I bought a few other things. I was, moseying around. Then I went back over to the crafting and I found two. Now, it's not, I wanted the ones that she found, but they didn't have any of that. So, but this is what I found. I found this, which I thought was very pretty. I just love these little ones. They take no time to do, and, they're fun. Just something to do while you're watching a YouTube or, whatever. So, let's open this up. And this always comes on this kind of like a postcard type of thing. Yeah, very readable, very easy. It has the kit, which is the pink pin with the single placer, the pink wax, and the green tray. And then here are the drills, which are round. So we get a pretty green, blue, kind of a dark red, a bright red. You can't see it, but it is bright. A bright orange, another bright orange, a baby blue, a white, and a black. Those look like good drills to me. No garbage in there. And then it comes with the instruction sheet. So that's what it'll look like. I think that's going to be a nice little project. So yeah, I've got several of these. So yeah, I gotta do them one of these days. Add it to my stack. My to-do. Alright, put this back in here. Of course, it's stuck on here. There we go. Okay, and then the second one I found is this one. Now that is a Tita one. She loves her flowers. So let's look at it. And I just got home, so I haven't even looked at these. Alright, so, ooh. A lot of drill space on these, really, for partials. And the instruction sheet. And the kit, which is the pink pin with the single placer, the wax, and the green tray. And let's look at these colors. These are rounds. Ooh, those are pretty whites. Really white. Get into the pink. Ooh, greens. And blue. And a light. Kind of an aqua, actually. Yeah, so that is nice. So I'll be on the prowl. I have one more dollar store I could go to and attempt to see if they have the ones that she found at her dollar store. I'm so jealous. She's such an enabler. She's making me get out of my bubble here at home and go searching for stuff. Okay, so that's in for the dollar store. Now, when I was in at the Goodwill, I found this, $3.99 plus my old lady discount. Now, I have no idea who this is from, nothing. All right, so let's see if it's all here and all that good stuff. I wonder if there's a year. I don't even know what the painting looks like. I just bought it. It probably looks like that, and I'm gonna go, ugh. All right, let's see. It's all in Japanese. So if you can read Japanese, tell me what that says. Probably just says how to do it. Let's see if this, it just says diamond painting. Yeah, I have no idea who it's from. Nothing. All right, let's look at this together. I don't even know what size it is. All right, goes this way. All right, so we got the key. 36 colors, a 30 by 30. All right, here we go. What is it? It looks like a tree. Okay, let's look at it close. Well, the drill fill looks good. And they got things in English here, so that's good. All right, so let's look at the drills. Now, it doesn't look like this has ever been opened. At least in my mind. Okay, we got separate bags here. All right, any ABs? Nope. So, just your standard round drills. We've all seen drills before. These are going to have dark colors in them. Well, this might have been a little bit of a bust. That's pretty. Has some pretty colors in it, so maybe once you get the drills down, it'll pop out. Who knows? Well, that'll be different. That'll get me out of my comfort zone, won't it? Weird picture. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to mark this. Well, I don't have to mark it. It says Goodwill. Okay. Well, let's see what the thumbnail looks like. Okay. All right. You just never know what you're going to get. The thing of it is, they've got some bright colors in here. See, these are all relatively bright colors. Those aren't dull by any stretch of the imagination. Okay, there's more. Those are a little bit brighter. And then here's the darker colors. These are more brighter. I mean, they're not dark. Well, that'll definitely be one to have an experiment with on you know, this is just like getting a mystery pack. I was just excited that they had a diamond painting. And it's really hard to take these apart in the store. I suppose they don't like to open everything up and all that good stuff, but I thought, you know what? It'll be okay. You lose some, you win some. I'm usually pretty lucky, I think, on finding some of this stuff, you know, but, you know, like I said, it's still going to be fun. I think there's enough bright colors on there that it'll start to pop once the drills are down. I'm giving myself a pep talk, can you tell? Alrighty, so put that away, and that's all I have for you. Yep, that's all my wheeling and dealing for today. So, yep, just that, and these. Alright. So, yeah, give me any comments, let me know what you think, and have you been to your dollar store and found anything? And, yeah, you never know. I may venture out and go to the other dollar store in Kaiser. So with that, I'll let you go. Thanks for stopping by and for watching. Chit chat with you later.